Hello. As everyone knows, math is very interesting subject. That's why so many people likes. Um, there is one topic we studied in week 4 and week 5, which is very interesting and important and useful in future math. It's about linear equation, ax plus b equal to 0, and um, and simultaneous equation which has two or more variables. It can be solved by using one equation to solve for one variables in terms of others, then submitting this into another equation. To solve this kind of equation, we have two main methods. They are conjunctive equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and we have second, we have the factorization of conjunctives. Now I'm handing to my group member to explain each of the equation. Go.
Now let's talk about linear equations. Normally we face this kind of equation like ax plus b equals to 0, which a and b belongs to real numbers and a doesn't equals to 0. But sometimes we face more complicated equation like this one, and let me show you how to solve this. Firstly, we should multiply 5 and x plus 2 like this, and we got 4x multiplied by 4. And we got 20x equals to 18 multiply x plus 2, and x equals to 18. Now let's check this. That's 4 multiplied by 18, and is 4 multiplied by 5, and we subtract these two. We got 18 divided by 5, and this is answer. Thank you.
Hello, I'm introduce the quadratic equation about the formula of root. The way is used to solve the quadratic equation of one unknown, such as ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. The first step is discrimination equal to b squared minus 4ac. Note that discriminant is bigger than 0, so there are two different solutions. The second step is discriminant smaller than 0 is negative, there are no solution. Then discriminant is equal to 0. Both solutions are the same. So here's the result is that x equal to negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided 2a. So any quadratic equation can be written in general form like x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this case, we can use formula of roots to solve the equation. And for example, x squared plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. First step is b squared minus 4ac. A equal to 1 and b equal to 2, c equal to 3. This gives the solution is negative a smaller than 0. So there is no solution 6.
In the factorization of quadratics, we look at example x squared minus 4x plus 3. The first method, which is we look at the equation, we can see that there are only 3 probabilities, which is x1, and so down. So we write the equation should be like this. So we solve the answer is x equals 3 and x equals 1. The second method, we draw the graph. We can see that there are only the 2 points which is y equals 0. So we saw that x equals 1 and x equals 3. And the third method, we still look at the equation. We can see that A is 1, B is minus 4, C is 3, and we use the formula, which is minus B divided by 2A plus and minus square root B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A, and we solve that the answer, which is same method 1 and method 2, 3 and 1.
Hi everyone, today we have talked about the linear equation. It's very easy, we just get a variable in one side and solve the equation. Second part, we learned the quadratic equation. There are two ways to solve it. One is the quadratic formula. When we use this formula, we should pay more attention in the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. It's defined the number of the real solution of the quadratic equation. Second one is the factorizations. There are two roots, alpha and beta. We should know the alpha and beta equal to the minus b over a, and alpha times beta equal to c minus c divided a. And in real life, people usually use quadratic equation to calculate the area things like rooms and calculate the business profit. Thank you for listening.